Hello students, so now we are studying exercise number 8.2 based on all the trigonometric 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So first is sin 60 cos 30. कुछ नहीं करना है, टेबल में से वैल्यूज निकालनी है और यहाँ लगानी है. उसके बाद कभी एलसीएम लेना है, कभी अलजेब्रिक सॉल्व करना है, जो भी करना है आपको करना है. So first sin 60, you know, root 3 by 2. See how we take sin 60 root 3 by 2. Very easy. Cos 30, see 30 and cos root 3 by 2. Simply substitute the values sin 30 and cos 60. See the values from the table. Now what we are getting, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, that is answer is 1. Simple. 10 square, whenever it is 10 square or 10 cube or 10 power 4, then first you write the value and then it's a square. It's not like that 45 is square. No. So 10 45 is 1 and it's a square. Cos 30, see cos 30 root 3 by 2 is a square. So put root 3 by 2, it's a square. And sin 60, it's a square. Simple. These two are same. So cancel out. Answer is only 2. Fourth part, sin 30 is half, tan 45 is 1, cosec 60 2 by root 3, divide by sec 30. Sec 30 is here, 2 by root 3, the same, plus cos 60 and plus cot 45. Now the simplification, you can solve it by taking LCM. How we get? See, numerator 2 root 3 LCM. What we are getting? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Easy. Denominator 2 root 3 LCM. And what we are getting? 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 LCM and 2 root 3 LCM cancel out. So answer is 2 chocolate and 1 chocolate, 3 chocolates. And 2 chocolates and 1 chocolate, 3 chocolates plus 4. And you know from your class 9th how we rationalize the denominator? By multiplying the opposite sign of plus. That means by multiplying and dividing minus sign. So in the numerator it is a minus b whole square. A square b square minus 2ab 24 root 3 divided by a square minus b square. A square is 27 minus 16 will be the final answer. So what will be the final answer? The last step, it is 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3 divided by 1 1. So 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11 is the answer. Third part is an important question, all due to its calculation work. Cos 45, you know, root 2, 1 by root 2. Sec 30, it is nothing but 2 by root 3. And cosec 30, see cosec 30, 2. धीरे धीरे याद करनी है वैल्यूज को. हाँ, 1 by root 2 as it is. And if you take LCM, root 3, what we are getting? 2 plus 2 root 3. So it will goes to 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 common 1 plus root 3. So we have to rationalize two things. First you have to rationalize root 2 and then you have to rationalize 1 plus root 3. That's why this question is important. So first we multiply by root 2 and root 2. So that it will become root 6 divided by root 2 and root 2 multiplying. So it will become root 6 and it will become 2 2 4 1 plus root 3. Now how to rationalize 1 plus root 3? One more important task. 1 minus root 3 and 1 minus root 3. So answer is root 6 into 1, that is root 6. Root 6 into 1, root 6 minus root 18 divide by 4, 1 minus 3. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus 3, root 6 minus root 18. So answer is root 6. This we can write as 9 into 2, and 9 into 2 means yes, and this is 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is the answer. And if you want to remove this minus sign from the denominator, just exchange 3 root 2 minus 6 divided by 8. That's why this question is fifth part is important, all due to the denominator. What is denominator? Sin square 30 plus cos square 30. See, what is sin square 30? 1 by 4. What is cos square 30? 3 by 4. Total equals to 1. So remember, whenever sin square theta plus cos square theta is an identity, always equals to 1. So denominator is 1. Apply the values. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45. Simple calculation. 5 by 4 minus, so plus 4, 4 by 3 minus 1. Take the LCM. 3 into 4, 12 LCM. So here it will be 15 plus 64 minus 12. Easy. 5 and 4, 9. 6 and 1, 7 minus 12 divided by 12. That is 67 by 12 is the answer. Easy. Now some more questions, but now you remember how to substitute the values, correct values from the table. Next sum is objective question. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. Question number 2. Which one is correct? 4 options given to you: sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. You know each and every value. So simplify it and see which one is the correct option. First is 2 tan 30, 1 plus tan square 30. So it is nothing but 2 by root 3 and it is nothing but 4 by 3. After simplification, what we are getting? Simple. Root 3 cancel out root 3 and 2 cancel out 2. That is root 3 by 2. And root 3 by 2 is the option of sin 60. Sin 60 option is the correct answer. Next is 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. Very, very simple. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. What is tan 45? 1. So 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1. 0 by 2, that is 0. So option number 4th, D part is correct. Sin 2a. Next sum, sin 2a equals to 2 sin a is true when 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. You have to apply the values. Suppose I will apply here 0. Then this side becomes 0. This side 0. Option is correct. If you put 30, it will become 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. And it is half. Wrong. 45. It will become 90. That is sin 91. And wrong. 60. It is 130. Not in your course. We can't say anything. That means only first option is the correct. Next sum is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. What is tan 30? अब तो याद होने लगी values. 1 by root 3 and 1 minus 1 by 3 because it is a square. 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3. That means 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. You are getting only root 3. And root 3 is the option of tan 60. That means C part is the correct answer. Next sum is very, very important from the previous year's board questions. And this type of many questions you will get in some reference books. Question is 10a plus b is root 3 and 10a minus b is nothing but 1 by root 3, where a angle is greater than b and a plus b is lying between 0 to 90. You have to calculate angle A and B. From the table, we want to calculate the value of root 3 in terms of 10. It means ऐसी कौन सी root 3 वैल्यू है जो 10 की रो में आती है, कितने डिग्री पर आती है. So if you see the table, simple part, it is nothing but 1060. Similarly here 10a minus b, टेबल में 1 by root 3 10 की रो में कब आती है? 1030. It means this a plus b is theta equals to what? 60. So a plus b, if you compare, equals to 60, and similarly a minus b, if you compare, it is nothing but 30. And now you know the linear equations, chapter number 3. 2a equals to 90 and a equals to 45 degree. When a equals to 45, substitute here. Hence b equals to 15 degree. Now what are the limits we have? A greater than b, true. And a plus b lying between 0 to 90, total 60, lying between 0 to 90. Option is correct. So this type of questions are very important. The thing is you have to compare from the given values. Next is state whether the following are true or false and justify your answer. These type of questions, conceptual questions, आपका अगर concept बहुत अच्छा clear है तो आप बहुत अच्छे जवाब दे सकते हैं. Good for competitive exams, for NTSC, KVIP, Olympiads. Sin A plus B is sin A plus sin B. First option. Never. Sin 30 plus 60 is not equal to sin 30 plus sin 60. With example you will get the answer. Second, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. See, sin theta is 0, then half, then 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2, then 1. It is nothing but 0.5. It is nothing but 1.41. It is nothing but 0.87 and it is 1. So value is in increasing order. Very correct. Sin values always increases from 0 to 90 degree and opposite cos theta इसका उल्टा decreases from 0 to 90. 0 पे cos क्या होता है 1 और 90 पे क्या हो जाता है 0. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Wrong. Cos is decreasing. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. No. It is true only for 45 degree. See the table. 1 by root 2 at 45, 1 by root 2 at 45 for sin and cos, not for any other value. Okay. Next is cot A is not defined when A 0. Cot A is not defined at 0 degree. What is tan 0? Tan 0 is 0. So cot 0 is not defined. Very true. Something divided by 0 is not defined. So this option is true. So in this way we have completed the exercise 8.2 of NCERT books. Now we are starting some good questions from the previous year's board case. Sum number first, A 30 degree, and you have to verify this result. So here in LHS, if we apply 30, what we are getting cos 90, that is 0, LHS. Now RHS, 4 cos cube 30 minus 3 cos 30. 4, what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So here 4 into 3 into root 3 divided by 8 and 3 root 3 divided by 2. What we are getting? 3 root 3 by 2 and 3 root 3 by 2, that is 0. Hence LHS equals to RHS. Is a class 11th formula. Okay. Next sum number 2. The formula is given to you. We have to calculate the value of tan 30. We want tan 30, it means you have to write here theta 30 degree. Very simple. So here you write sine 30 into 2, that is 30 into 2, 60 degree. Its value is root 3 by 2 equals to 2 tan 30, 1 plus tan square 30. Now cross multiply. Root 3 plus root 3 tan square 30, correct, equals to 4 tan 30. Suppose tan 30 is x, then root 3 x square minus 4x plus root 3 equal to 0. Quadratic equation you know very well. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So we want product as 3 but sum as minus 4. Very simple. Root 3x square minus 3x minus x plus root 3 equal to 0. Common. Root 3x common. Remaining x minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 common. X minus root 3. So what we are getting? Root 3x minus 1 first option and x minus root 3 second option. This will give you x equals to 1 by root 3 and this will give you x equals to root 3. X equals to 1 by root 3. If you substitute both the side, it will become true. But if you put x equal to root 3, it will not give you the left hand side. Hence, answer is only 1 by root 3. Last sum number 3rd. LHS is root 3 plus 1 into 3 minus cot 30. And what is cot 30 you know? Root 3. So LHS will be root 3 plus 1, and if you take root 3 out, it is root 3 minus 1. Root 3 out, and a plus b into a minus b, that is 2 root 3. So here the solution of LHS left hand side. Now right hand side, tan cube of tan 60 degree, that means root 3 cube, minus 2 sine 60, that is root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. Root 3 cube means root 3 out. Root 3 square minus 1, that is root 3. 3 minus 1, 2. It is 2 root 3. It is 2 root 3. Hence LHS equals to RHS. So in this way we have completed one more important exercise of trigonometry based on specific angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree, and how we substitute in the particular question and get the answer and different type of problems. Now here it is your homework, 5 questions, 30 minutes कर लेंगे. Very good. तो मिलते हैं अगला टॉपिक लेकर के. तब तक टेक केयर. गुड बाय.